Osceola County, Florida, Underground Utility Excavation Bond. What is an Osceola County, Florida Underground Utility Excavation Bond? An Osceola County Underground Utility Excavation Bond is a type of surety bond mandated by local authorities. It serves as a guarantee that contractors engaged in underground utility excavation will comply with all applicable safety regulations, utility protection protocols, and contractual obligations. The bond also provides financial protection to the county and ensures compensation for any damages or disruptions caused to underground utilities due to the contractor's excavation activities. Benefits and considerations. Opting for an Osceola County Underground Utility Excavation Bond offers several advantages. Firstly, it assures regulatory authorities and utility companies that contractors will conduct excavation activities responsibly, minimizing risks of damage to critical underground infrastructure such as water lines, gas pipes, and electrical cables. This bond promotes accountability and ensures that contractors adhere to strict safety standards while protecting community resources. Navigating the application process. Applying for an Osceola County Underground Utility Excavation Bond involves several steps. Contractors typically begin by contacting a surety company licensed to issue bonds in Florida. The surety company evaluates the contractor's financial stability, experience in underground excavation, and adherence to safety regulations and utility protection protocols. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.